Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be fine. Now today I am going to deliver the lecture number 16 of English for class nursery. Today the topic of the lecture is letter M, reading plus writing. So let's do the first part of the lecture. So yes, here you can see a letter. Yes, what comes after letter L? Yes, this is small m and it comes after letter L, and the sound of this letter is m, m. Yes, this is a lowercase and the sound of this letter is m. Okay, what begins with this letter? For this, here you can see the first picture. Yes, this is a mango. Yes, mango. M is the first letter in mango. Mango. Okay, now next word. Yes, here you can see a half moon. Yes, this is a moon. This is a half moon. Moon. M is the first letter in moon. Moon. Okay, now next word. Yes, here you can see the next picture. Yes, milk. This is a milk pack. Yes, this is a milk. 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 M is the first letter in milk. Okay, now next is, yes, this is a motorcycle. Motorcycle. Yes, motorcycle. Motorcycle. M is the first letter in motorcycle. Okay, now this is small m. Yes, today you will write small m and the sound of this letter is m. Okay, now we will do the next part, instruction for writing. Okay, for this, yes, how you will write small m on this line pattern. First of all, I will tell you about these lines. Now first is top line, middle line, base line and lower line. Okay, first of all I will trace this small m on this line pattern. So for small m, I will start from the middle line. First, I will make a straight line like this, and now go up and make a little curve like this with middle line, and now come down and make another straight line like this and touch the base line. Now again go up and again I will make a little curve with the middle line like this, and now come down, make a straight line, touch the base line, and here I will make a little tail with it. Yes, this is small m. This is a lowercase m and the sound of this letter is m, and it should be in two lines. Okay, next I will write small m without dots here. So for this, first of all I will make a straight line with the middle line like this and touch the base line, and here I will go up and I will make a little curve with the middle line. Now come down, make a straight line and touch the base line, and now again I will go up like this, and here I will make another little curve with the middle line, and now come down, make a straight line, touch the base line, and here I will make a little loop or a small tail with it. This is small m. Okay, now again I will write small m on this line pattern. For this, first I will make a straight line like this, and now go up, make it round, now come down, touch the base line, Now go up. Again make it round. And now come down and touch the baseline again. And here I will make a small tail with it. Yes, this is small m. And the sound of this letter is m, m. This is a grass letter and it comes after letter L. Okay, now we will do an activity. Okay, today for this activity, first I will make a picture with the help of dots for the given letter. So, yes, now let's take the start. Yes, today I will join these dots with the help of a colorful marker. Okay, for making this picture. So, yes, now, okay, I will take start from this dot for the picture. Okay, I will make this picture with the help of these dots and I will join all the dots in proper way for a perfect picture. So, yes. Okay, now, yes, come down and join all the dots perfectly for a good picture. Okay, now here I will join these dots. Yes, like this. Okay, now in the next step I will join these dots. Okay, now today we have learnt about the letter M with its sound. M, the sound of M is Okay, how you will pronounce the sound of letter M? Okay, for this you will join your lips together and then you can pronounce the sound for letter M easily. Okay, like M, do with me. M, okay. And it comes after letter L. Okay. Now, yes, I will join these dots like this. Yes, okay. And here I think so this part is left like this. Yes. Okay. Okay, have you any idea what is this? What I am making with the help of these dots? Can you guess it? Okay. I think so. I have completed this picture. Yes. Okay. What is this? Here you can see this picture. Yes, this is a mitten. This is a mitten. Yes, this is a mitten. Did you see a mitten? Yes, this is a glove. This is a glove, but it has two sections. One section is for thumb and the other section is for fingers. Okay, this is a mitten. Okay, and mitten. M is the first letter in mitten. 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 Okay. I hope you have enjoyed this activity. The lecture has been completed here. Today you will write letter M on your notebook. Inshallah, on tomorrow we will meet again with the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Thank you very much.